Welcome to MathsProdigy. Today, we'll learn the divisibility rules from 2 to 11, with simple tricks and examples. A number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is even. For example, 34 and 102. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 3. For example, 123 gives 6, so it works. To check divisibility by 4, look at the last two digits. If they form a number divisible by 4, then the whole number is divisible. For example, 516, last two digits are 16 divisible by 4. A number is divisible by 5 if it ends in 0 or 5. For example, 25 and 130, the last digits are 5 and 0 respectively. A number is divisible by 6 if it is divisible by both 2 and 3. For example, 132, it is divisible by 2 and 3 both. A number is divisible by 7 if you double the last digit and subtract it from the remaining digits. If the result is divisible by 7, so is the number. For example, 203 becomes 20 minus 6 equals 14, which works. Note, it doesn't matter if the answer comes in negative. Example, 98, 9 minus 2 times 8 equals negative 7. To check divisibility by 8, look at the last three digits. If they form a number divisible by 8, the whole number is divisible. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of its digits is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 10 if it ends in 0. A number is divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digits in odd and even places is a multiple of 11. For example, 121 gives 0, which works.